everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your name on Google Meet. If you want to update your video display name on Google Meet, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon to be the first one to hear from us as soon as we post a new video. Start by opening up your web browser. In the web address bar at the top of the screen, go to your Google Meet account by typing in meet.google.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure you're logged into your Google Meet account. Once you end up in the home page of Google Meet, go to the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see your profile picture. Simply give it a click and you'll be able to see your name displayed right below your profile picture. You'll need to go to your account page on Google in order to change your name. So click on the Manage Your Google Account button right beneath your username, and on the next page, go ahead and click on the Personal Info tab located at the left hand side of the screen. After you select Personal Info, right under the Basic Info tab, you should see your name displayed. Click on the right facing arrow right next to your name, and on the next page, you can enter your first name or your last name. Simply make the changes that you want to. In my case, I'm just going to make a simple change over here. Now, once you're done, click on the Save button at the bottom of the screen, wait for a few minutes, give this page a quick refresh. If you click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner, you'll be able to see that your name has been changed. Now, every time you start your meeting, you'll be using the new name that you just changed to for your Google meeting. That is how you'll be able to change your name on Google Meet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.